kill the democracy. They teach the people, and Mahua will win the case, win the battle next, and see the people will give the befitting reply to BJP.
Why Mahua is asset for Didi? Air News reports. To most leaders, loyalty is foremost. To many, even cynics find solace in their arms. West Bengal CM Mamta Banerjee, many say it is a bit skeptical and wouldn't rely on too many people. She makes her own decisions without taking others into confidence, says a TMC insider to Diganta Guha. But when it comes to unflinching commitment, she is second to none. Take for example Mahua Moitra. The former investment banker left a cushy job offshore to take the political plunge and was rewarded with a MP seat in Krishnanagar after entering the state assembly through Karimpur. Mamta, who abhors embarrassments when her party colleagues cross the line, has always stood by Mahua despite the latter allegedly putting her in a soup in the cash for question scam and also divulging her parliamentary log in details. The lady who was suspended from the lower house enjoys 100% support from her boss because she, according to the TMC Supremo, never hesitates to take up the cudgels against her party's arch foe BJP inside and outside the parliament. Mahua's lifestyle is bereft of austerity and now she faces a corruption case. She is a controversial figure, yet Didi knows she is the last person to ditch her. Mahua has foes inside her party, but nobody dares to antagonize her because of her proximity to the party boss. Hence, Didi has stood by her, even claiming that the BJP was scared of her because of the questions she raises. As a result, during the campaign for her recently, Didi showered her with plaudits. BJP made sure she is not in the house because she puts forth questions that embarrass them and they have no answers, she said. Mahua has also been in the news for all the wrong reasons, be it for her goddess Kali remark or enjoying a cigar and wine with erudite Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, the pictures of which went viral, creating ripples all over. Had it been anybody else, Didi would have reprimanded him or her. But in Mahua's case, she never ever publicly spoke. In the past, Mamta has been vociferous against many traitors like Suvendu Adhikari, Mithun Chakraborty, Sovan Chatterjee and others. Of late, she ousted one of her most vocal supporters, Kunal Ghosh, from the post of party spokesperson and state general secretary because of his vitriolic statements even against TMC leaders. So important is defeating Mahua that even Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday held an impromptu roadshow at her constituency, which simply vindicates the aura she exudes. In March too, he addressed a rally at Krishnanagar when her name was not even announced. Didi is biased towards Mahua. She needs her inside the house because she has the audacity to take on the mighty with her oratory skills and aggressive demeanor, says another party insider. As a lawmaker, she lives up to the expectations of her voters. Her supporters claim she has an ear for all. She speaks eloquent Hindi and English apart from her mother tongue Bengali and can never be pushed to the back foot. Mahua is a die-hard Didi loyalist and the latter knows that her party lacks speakers who have the temerity to take on challenges barring Mahua and Derek O'Brien. This quality endears them to her and Mahua falls in this category. Yes, Didi, who has been inundated with allegations of graft at the behest of some of her trusted colleagues, needs the Mahuas to face the barbs on her behalf on a national platform. So Mahua is a gem for Mamta, who has been fighting tooth and nail the innuendos from BJP, Congress and left. Over to Mahua and her skills, which should up the ante in the future. Need we say more?